I moved here from Brooklyn, New York, and I was displaced for a long time until I found the EOC. And from there, my life really has taken off. My name is Tracy Ann Gordon. I'm from the Schenectady EOC. As you can see, I'm at work today. I'm an assistant superintendent at my job.
Life transforming.
I didn't want another temporary job. I needed a career change.
Thanks to WEOC, I was able to be on the front line during COVID.
I felt like I was part of a family being a student there.
I'm an example to the kids now, to my boys. Tell them every day, you could do it if you want to.
I'm over at Hudson Valley Community College in the STEM program, which is like amazing. I'm just walking around with a new, bigger for life